Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to La Campione. Today, we're diving into how to transform your home for the fall season with cozy and stylish autumn decor ideas. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just looking for inspiration, stick around to find out how to bring the warmth and beauty of autumn into your space. First up, let's talk about color. Autumn is all about rich, warm, and earthy tones. Think deep oranges, rich browns, golden yellows, and warm reds. You can even add some forest greens or deep plums to create depth and a pop of seasonal color. Use these shades in your throw pillows, rugs, or even wall art to make your room feel inviting. Next, we have textured fabrics. This is where your design can really come to life. Incorporate plush throws and chunky knit blankets over your sofas or armchairs. Soft velvet or suede pillows add a luxurious feel, while woven baskets or textured rugs bring warmth to the space. Think of layering these different materials to create a cozy atmosphere. Speaking of creating a warm vibe, let's move on to seasonal centerpieces. You can get creative with arrangements featuring dried flowers, wheat stalks, or pampas grass in neutral-toned vases. And of course, don't forget pumpkins. Varying sizes of neutral or classic orange pumpkins can really tie a table or mantel together. Lighting is key to any design, especially in autumn when the days get shorter. Layered lighting can make a huge difference. Use table lamps, floor lamps, and even string lights to create a warm and inviting ambiance. Add candles or LED flameless candles for that soft, cozy glow that screams fall nights in. Bringing the outside in is another great way to embrace the season. Decorate with nature-inspired elements like wood, wicker, and stone. Scatter some pine cones, acorns, or leafy garlands around your shelves or fireplace mantel. These small touches create a big impact and make your home feel connected to nature. Now, who doesn't love a cozy reading nook during fall? Set up a corner with a comfy armchair, a knitted throw, and a small side table. Stack up a few books and add a rustic lamp or a candle, and you've got the perfect spot to unwind. Another must-have is a seasonal wreath. Hang a beautiful autumn wreath made of foliage, berries, or dried hydrangeas on your front door or above your fireplace. It's an easy way to make a big statement and greet guests with a touch of fall. For those who love hosting, create a rustic table setting using natural materials like burlap runners, wooden chargers, and linen napkins. You can add fall-colored dishware and fill bowls with apples or decorative gourds as a simple yet elegant centerpiece. Now, don't forget to engage all the senses. Scents like cinnamon, pumpkin spice, and apple cider instantly evoke the feeling of autumn. Use candles, oil diffusers, or potpourri to bring these cozy scents into your home. And finally, consider adding a statement piece like a large wall art inspired by autumn landscapes or a rustic mirror framed in reclaimed wood. It can truly anchor your space and make a memorable impression. Thanks for tuning in to our autumn decor ideas. I hope you're feeling inspired to cozy up your home for the season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future design tips. And let me know in the comments how you're decorating your space for fall. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.